Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Valorant and you keep getting this error, there was an error connecting to the platform with this error code VAL57, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on Valorant easily. So first off, you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here run, and then you're going to write services.msc, and then you're going to search for the service called VGC here. So just click onto any service, press V on your keyboard, here it is. You're going to right click on it, click properties. Now click onto startup type, make sure it is set to either automatic or automatic delayed start. After that, click start on here and then click OK, and then it will start up the VGC service. And now what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu again, you're going to write here run, and then you're going to write here reg edit, click yes on here, and here you're going to go into HKey local machine, and then you're going to go into software, you're going to scroll down to Microsoft here, and then you're going to scroll down until you find Windows NT here. So here it is. Now open it up, and then you're going to go into current version. Now you're going to find the folder called image file execution options. Here it is. Open it up. Now you should have a service called device override. So if you don't have it here, what you're going to do is you're going to restart your computer and then come back into this setting again. If you still don't have it like me, then what you're going to do is you're going to make that service, right click here, click new, click diva 32-bit value, write it this value, dev override enable, make sure to capitalize all three of these letters at the start. After that, double click on it, make sure this value is set to 0, click OK, close this up, and now just go ahead and restart your computer once again. And once you're done with the restart, now you're going to open up your start menu again, you're going to write here date and time, and you're going to make sure that your time zone is set correctly. So if your time zone is set incorrectly, you will get that error in Valorant again. So just make sure the time zone is set correctly to your location, and then click sync now on here. And once you click sync now you can go ahead and open up the Riot Client, and you'll see that your game will work correctly now. You will not get that VAL57 error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.